How to add social media to Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. And from Sales Channels section, click on Online Store, then click on Themes. And once you're here, you need to scroll down to the current theme section, and from there click on Customize. And when this page opens, you need to click on the three dots at the top right of the screen, and from there click on Theme Settings. A pop-up menu list will appear at the bottom, from which you need to search for social media and click on it. And as you can see here, you will be able to add your social accounts to your Shopify store. For example, you can add Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, Tumblr, Snapchat, YouTube, etc. Say for example, I wanted to add an account. They gave you an example on how the link should be. Say for example, I want to add the TikTok account. I will just copy this link and paste it here. And in this case, you need to delete the Shopify username and enter your username. Say for example, let us go with the Shopify username. You just need to add your username right here instead of Shopify. But let's say it's with the Shopify username. Just as an example, click on OK. And once you add your link, in this case the Shopify TikTok link, click on the save at the top right of the screen, and the link will be saved. As you can see, the changes has been saved. So let us go back and see how will this appear on our store. Let's go and see. Click here, and then if we scroll down, you can see that a link has been added and social media, the TikTok icon has been added. So click on it and you will be taken to that username profile, as you can see right here. So yeah, that was it for this video. You can do the same with all the other social media. So that's it. That's how you can add your social media icons and links to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.